Hey, what's going on, guys? So let's just say you picked up a new iPod off of eBay or something and you don't know what to do to get new music on it. Maybe you've never had an iPod before. This video I'm going to be showing you some ways to get some music or just some content onto this iPod. So what you want to do is connect it to a computer, maybe a Mac or maybe a PC. Either one will work, as long as you have iTunes. And as you can see, it pops up on the iMac here. If we just go ahead and click it, you can see music. Oh, look at that. Now you may be wondering, how am I supposed to get music onto it? Maybe there's already someone's music onto it and you don't want to listen to it. You want to add your own tunes. Well, boy, that's what the internet is for. Let's say you want some Has-Been Hotel songs. Scroll down, pick your favorite song. This one is so good. I'm actually gonna click this one. We're gonna copy it. New tab. Okay, yeah, let's not do that. Now, what if you don't want to do it that way? What if you actually want to legitimately buy a song? The iTunes Music Store is perfect for you. See, there's a bunch of things that you could buy. There's stuff as low as 69 cents. The songs on iTunes aren't even that expensive. Oh, see, look at that. There's Has-Been Hotel on here. See? Or you could legitimately buy the Stayed Gone song on iTunes. Because I'm a fan of Lovejoy, I'm gonna try to see if I can get one of their albums. Wake Up and It's Over. That's $7. Normal People Thing. Oh, it's a single. Alright. That's $4. Call Me What You Like single. Call Me What You Like. That's decent popularity. And there you go, you found some ways to sing some songs, get some music on your little iPod nugget thingy. This video probably sucked, but oh well, didn't have anything else to do. But if you have enjoyed, if you want to see more, leave a like, maybe even subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. And in the next video, we'll be taking a look at this. This is my old iPod Touch. I had it since I was 7, and, you know, there's quite a few things on here if you would like to open. There we go. Yeah, that's gonna be the next video.